G'day guys, here we are, number 36, carcass dovetail number 2. So again, this is just going to be quite similar to the dovetail we did before. We've just got to add in an extra dovetail. We can see we've got two pieces, 140 by 19. So let's get the first one in. Again, we'll start off with the tails. So we go 19, 140, enter with the rectangle tool. We're going to push it up by 140. There we go. Okay, let's make it a component. Triple click, make component, and yep, component 1, that's fine. Okay, so let's double click. Now, again, we're going to space these evenly. So we've got, let's see, it's 140 millimeters wide. So we measure in 70 again. So there's our center point, that dot there. Now, I'll just zoom in on this a bit so we can see the dimensions a bit clearer. We've got 40 and a gap of 5. 40, gap of 5, 40, gap of 5. That's all the dimensions they've given us. So we know the center point is here in the middle of this tail. So we need to measure out from the center point. So we have a total top tail size of 40. So that means we go out this way, 20. Why doesn't that work? Click 20, enter. There we go. And 20, enter. All right, so from there to there is 40. We leave a gap of 5 millimeters on each side. And then we go another 40. All right, another 40. And we've got to measure down 19 millimeters for the thickness of the joining piece and use the pencil tool. Remember, it didn't work with the tape measure. We've got to do it with the pencil tool to draw a line straight across there. Now, the pitch is 1 to 8. Okay, so remember that was an angle of 7 with the protractor. So we get the protractor on the red axis by hitting the red arrow key. Click there, click straight down. Remember, it doesn't matter where you click, just on the blue axis. Go across 7, enter. Same here, get it on the red axis, click straight down on the blue axis, and then this way, 7. Right, now we can put these two pencil lines in. And again, super easy here. We could go through, draw all the angles in, all that, or we could cheat and hover over that, grab them, hit the control button so we're copying with the move tool, put it over here, and then control again, click and move, right? And then you can see we've done all 3 dovetails just like that. So we're going to erase, oh sugar, Control C, undo that. I left the component, let me go back in. We're going to erase that line, and that line. Then we're going to push this in to 19 millimeters, same there, same there, same there. Pretty easy, right? I guess you guys can guess how the next piece is done. We just draw in, just like we did on the last one, 140, 19. We're going to push it in 140 millimeters. Triple click, make it a component, create that component. All right, so double click on that so I can edit it. Now, again, here you have the option if you want. You could, highlight these 2 lines and copy them across, but I think it's pretty quick to go with the pencil line and trace them. But, up to you. If you want to copy them across for all these pins, that's fine. But, yeah, it's pretty quick to just trace them. So we're going to push that bit in 19 mil, double click, and that's that done. So let's edit, delete our guides. And let's paint it and make sure it's all right. Top one is light, front one is dark. Look at that. That looks pretty good. So we'll just quickly move it, make sure it's working. Yep, look at that. Nothing is clashing. It just slides in perfectly. Fantastic. Okay, let's file, save. What's this one called? I can't remember. Number 36? Yep. Number 36. Carcass dovetail 2, and we'll save that. Done. Fantastic. So our next one, carcass dovetail number 3. We got some odd size dovetails, which should be pretty easy to do. So we'll go file, new, and I'll see you in the next video.